In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wire app for Windows. First, open a web browser on your Windows PC. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. This step is essential because it sets the foundation for all the following actions. Once the browser is open, you will see the familiar address bar at the top. This is where you will enter the URL to access the Wire download page. Take your time here, as a good start is key to a smooth download process. Next, go to the Wire download page. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar. If you are unsure, you can search for Wire download in your preferred search engine. This action is crucial because it directs you to the official page where you can safely download the application. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid any security risks. Once on the page, you will see various options for different platforms. Under Desktop, click Windows. This selection is important because it ensures you are downloading the correct version of the Wire app specifically designed for Windows users. By clicking this option, the website will prepare the installer file for you. You should see a button that indicates this choice clearly. It is always best to choose the version that matches your operating system to avoid any compatibility issues later. Now wait for the Wire installer, which is an executable file with a .exe extension, to download. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Patience is key here, as rushing may lead to interruptions or incomplete downloads. You'll typically see a progress bar in your browser showing the download status. Once the download is complete, a notification will appear, or you may find the file in your Downloads folder. After the download completes, open the downloaded installer. You can do this either by clicking on the file directly from the download notification or by navigating to your Downloads folder. This action is important because it initiates the installation process for the Wire app. You may see a security prompt asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes to proceed. Rest assured, this is a standard security measure to protect your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Wire. The installer will guide you through the necessary steps, such as agreeing to terms and conditions. Pay attention to any options presented, as there may be settings you can customize. Each step is designed to ensure that the app is set up correctly on your system. Completing this part will take just a few moments, and soon you will be ready to use the app. Launch the Wire app. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Wire icon on your desktop or search for it in the Start menu. Clicking the icon opens the application, bringing you one step closer to connecting with your contacts. This is where the fun begins, as you will soon be able to communicate securely and efficiently. Finally, sign in with your existing Wire account or create a new one. If you're a new user, follow the prompts to set up your account. This step is crucial because it links your Wire app to your personal or professional contacts. After signing in or creating an account, you can start using Wire's features right away. Remember, if you have any difficulties, there are resources available to help you navigate through the app. And that wraps up the process of downloading the Wire app for Windows. Thank you for following along.